In today's video, we'll tell you everything about how to pose on your wedding so that you can catch the most breathtaking moments of your special day on camera. What to do and what to do not. So keep on watching this video if you want to pose like a pro on your wedding. My name is Katie and this is OLIVIA BOTTEGA Wedding Dresses. Let's go. So how do you pose? This question may actually trigger a lot of stress, so watch this to make sure that you will not fail. And the first thing is what you should avoid doing is not telling a photographer about your preferences. So the photographer, he's not a mind reader or she's not a mind reader. They are not mind readers. So tell them exactly what you want. If you want your pictures to be super romantic, say it. If you don't want your pictures to be super romantic, you want everything to be super playful and fun, then say about it. The next one is closed eyes kissing. And I'm sure that it may seem to be like a romantic and charming idea, but actually it's not. It looks weird, it looks strange. Yes, like I'm saying that you can have a few pictures where you are kissing with your eyes closed, but not all of them, not every of them. So remember to keep your eyes open. And also another thing that you may want to avoid is too much kissing. Like, okay, yes, we understand you are getting married, you are excited, but you are going to kiss this person until the rest of your life, so enjoy it and not on your wedding. Enjoy the rest of your life ahead, but right now, avoid too much kissing. And on the other hand, we have the no kissing folks, and I'm sure that it's okay if you don't want to do PDA in public, but come on, it's your wedding, so just enjoy, feel relaxed, just do whatever is like natural for your couple, and it's okay. If you want to kiss, just kiss. If you don't want to, then don't. Just make sure that you display your affection towards your beloved or towards each other at your wedding in the most natural way that is okay for your couple only. The next thing that can be a boss killer is moving too fast. Like, yes, I understand that you want to capture every moment, every single second of your glorious day, but just try to understand that when a photographer is taking a picture and you're moving too fast, it can just take a beautiful, beautiful moment and it can just go like this and it's unbeautiful and you will be sad. So just remember to not move too fast, but also don't like stand still like a statue. Just move effortlessly, move quite slow, but not super slow. Move fast, but not super fast. So just remember to act natural. If you pose too much, it will be seen. If you don't pose too much, it will be seen. So just find the perfect balance for your special day. So after we covered what not to do, let's focus on what you should do. And the first and my favorite thing at weddings is a dress shoot. So just make sure to capture this glorious moment of the bride in the morning, how you wake up, what you do, what is your routine, show your face, show how you write down your vows, show these moments of how you're getting ready to get married, show the excitement, and just enjoy, just have your time, have your moment, because this is your time and you're the queen, you're the goddess, you're the most beautiful bride ever. So just make sure to capture this mood because you deserve it. After all, it's all about capturing those candid moments. Okay, so moving on to the groom. So what should groom do? Because usually this question is like, oh my god, like my groom doesn't have beautiful pictures, he doesn't look good, he doesn't look interesting in our pictures, I don't know what to show to my friends, so relax. So for the groom, you have a lot of different ways to show what is groom doing on your beautiful wedding day. So he can button up his shirt, he can make sure to fix this bow tie or just a tie, he can just, tie his boots, he can have his time talking to his father, his buddies, just, interacting with his best man, with his friends, with maybe some of the guests, and like, this time checking, like the serious businessman type of guy. So this is actually a very cute idea for your groom, what to do in his pictures. So let's talk about these magical moments that you two can do together. So for instance, you can start with a bouquet. I'm sure that you will have the most gorgeous, the most beautiful flowers ever, and just imagining yourself holding this beautiful, priceless bouquet, or your groom is holding it, or you are together holding it, is beautiful. And my most favorite one is a forehead kisses. It looks super gorgeous, super cute. You can also try a dramatic kiss at the altar where where like he's holding you as you fall kind of on your back and he's kissing you, and it's just beautiful. So you can also play around with the emotions on your wedding day. For example, how the groom sees you for the first time, just reenact it, or when you see the groom, or when guests see you. And also you can play around with pecks on cheeks and just walking around, holding each other. He's holding you up, you are kissing him, hugging him from behind. There are like so many ideas. Just open Pinterest, open Instagram, just any resource that you want to find your perfect mood board. Find the pictures that inspire you, show it to your photographer, show it to your friends, and make sure that you are creating kind of the same content. And so when the party starts, just make sure to capture all of the moments, how you are eating at the table, how you are dancing your first dance, this great jump when you're jumping onto your husband, or something like that, just emotions. I think that the most important part is capture the emotions. So make sure that when it's the party time, the photographer captures the moments of your emotions. And if you feel like you want to pose a little, then it's okay. Just pretend that you are dancing, pretend that you are hugging with guests, with children, if there are going to be children at your wedding. Just be creative in this sphere. There are so many ideas like face to face, back to back, jumping, sitting, lying on the floor, just so many ideas that you can try out at your wedding, and this is going to look gorgeous. I'm telling you, this is going to be an amazing photo shoot. So you're probably thinking now, oh my god, like I don't know, I've browsed Instagram and Pinterest, I just don't know where to get more inspiration. Not to worry though, you can click the link below and you can go on our website and you can read all the reviews from our gorgeous brides, what was their photo shoot, what did they do, what kind of pictures they have, and just get inspired from there. We have a lot of crazy options. And not crazy, we have a lot of beautiful options. You can also get your inspiration from celebrities' weddings because they actually do have this very thorough, very thought through photo shoots with different magazines like Vogue and Glamour, Bazaar. So just go to these magazines and browse for more inspiration. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about celebrities' wedding dresses and what they are wearing to their weddings, where to find more inspiration for your wedding look, for your wedding scenery, make sure to watch our next video. See you, bye!